friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product review. And the product that we are going to review today is a butter, and this butter is from Britannia. So this is Britannia's pasteurized butter here, a 100-gram pack that we have, and today we are going to review this product. So guys, starting off with the review of the product comes in cardboard box packaging right here. Right here we can see the Britannia branding on the butter, and then the name of the product, which is butter pasteurized, and then they have their tagline, which is scoop it, spread it, lick it. It's an amazing tagline for butter. It has goodness of cow's milk, a 100-gram pack. It's a pure vegetarian product, and the illustration of the butter is shown here. Moving on to the sides, they have the Britannia butter and pasteurized, the Britannia branding and the name of the product mentioned here. The same thing is mentioned on all the four sides. You can see this. Moving on to the back of the packaging. On the back side of the packaging, they have mentioned the ingredient, which is milk solids and iodized salt, so it is salted butter. Here are the nutritional facts mentioned of the product, and then they have mentioned the best before date, which is the shelf life of the product, which is 12 months from manufacturing, which is amazing. It has a 12-month shelf life, and the net weight of this product is 100 grams. Now coming to the price of the Britannia butter, the Britannia butter for 100 grams is priced at ₹57, which is quite a bit higher than that of the Amul butter, which is one of the most common butter in India, and Amul is like a synonym for butter right now. And Amul today is available at ₹48 for 100 grams, whereas Britannia is selling 57. So guys, this is the Britannia butter, and quickly let's go ahead and unbox and check the butter. How does it look? Here we just open the box, and inside the box here is the butter. It comes packed in a butter paper. So we have a butter paper here, and on the butter paper also there's a Britannia branding, butter pasteurized, the same thing that we saw on the outer box. 100 grams, not to be sold without the outer carton, is written here. So let's look at the color of the butter and the texture and how does it look. We'll quickly open the butter up. It comes very neatly packed in the butter paper here. Gently open it up. So it has a nice and yellow color here, similar to that of Amul, and very strong buttery aroma to it, which is nice. And let's go ahead and take a small piece of the butter and taste it. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of the Britannia butter. And here I'm just going to pick out a little on my finger tip, and I'm just quickly going to lick it off and tell you how does it taste. Very buttery and yummy it is. Very nice. I like the taste of the Britannia butter. It's quite nice, and it will really go well with toast and bread and buns and stuff. It's an amazing butter. I liked it. The salt ratio to butter is amazing. It has like very nice flavor to it, and it's nice and buttery. So overall, I like the taste of the Britannia butter. Like, this is a good substitute to the Amul butter. Like, if you can't find Amul, Britannia butter is also good. And I have tasted it right now, and I feel it's an amazing butter. So it is equally as good as Amul. So you can always go ahead and try out the Britannia butter. Yes, it is a bit higher on the price, but I'm sure it will be available with better offers online where you can get it for cheaper than Amul. So you should definitely try out the Britannia butter. Guys, it's an amazing butter. I just did a taste test and I didn't find any difference between Britannia and Amul. I felt Britannia tasted a bit better than Amul right now. So you all should definitely go ahead and try out the Britannia butter. So guys, this pack is available on Amazon, and the link to the pack to buy this product online on Amazon is in the description below. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.